Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and has enough battery. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, open Settings directly or pull down the Quick panel and tap the gear icon. Make sure to use the search field inside Settings and type Location so you land on the exact menu. This saves time versus digging through long menus. Once done, tap the location entry to reveal the toggles and permission controls you will disable next. You should first flip the main location toggle off to stop all active location requests. This is the fastest cut. Next, tap Advanced or Scanning and disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning, so apps cannot approximate location using nearby signals. Then go to App Permissions or App Info, choose Location, and revoke permissions for apps you don't trust. Make sure to set any essential apps to allow only while using the app. If you still need limited access, you finish by checking the Quick Settings panel to confirm the location icon shows off. Visual confirmation helps. Once done, reboot the phone to clear cached services and make sure changes apply system-wide. After restarting, open a location-dependent app to verify it cannot get a fix. If the app still shows location, make sure the app's permission wasn't auto-granted by Play services and double-check device admin or profile settings as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.